back to my channel. I am so sorry about the angle, but I've been here for about 10 minutes trying to put my phone somewhere, and this is the only location it'll stay, and you can see me in frame. So today's video is gonna be a, how do you say it, mukbang? Mukbang? Basically I have Chick-fil-A here, but I've never had in my life, and I'm gonna try it for the first time on camera with you guys. So I ordered a regular sandwich and a spicy sandwich just to see which one I like better. So let's start with the spicy. This is what it looks like. Smells good. Comes in this foil packaging, which is pretty cool. To keep it hot. So this is a spicy. It's hot. Yum. It's still hot. First impression, it's crunchy, but not like uncomfortably crunchy, you know what I mean? Like, it is a little spicy, it kicks in. It's good, I like it. So, it's crispy, but not like overly crispy, like it's annoying crispy, because I hate that. For example, KFC, extra crispy chicken, not like that. It is very soft and tender. The bread itself is super soft, a little smashed if I'm being honest. And then it does come with fries, these kind of fries, which are good too. They're like nicely salted, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna finish this one off camera, and I'll check out the original chicken one too. So my first impression is it's really good. Can I compare it to anything else? I don't think so, because McDonald's, like, it's cheap and easy. This one's more like, not healthy, of course not, but like, they care more about it, you know, they put more effort, if you will, because just look at it, it's not flat like a McChicken, and I think it's good. I got 2 burgers and fries and a drink. Came out to, stupid drivers, dude, oh my god, people irritate me. Good thing I have a dash cam. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish this one and I'll be back. Anyway, so I just realized that the wrapping says chicken without any antibiotics ever. Interesting. Okay, I'm like super like content and full, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna eat the second one, or try the second one. Excuse me, hold on. So here's the second one. It's the Chick-fil-A sandwich with no pickles, yeah. Prepared for you. Ooh, prepared for you. Our hand-breaded, boneless breast of chicken is cooked in 100% refined peanut oil. You guys, if you have a peanut allergy, I don't recommend eating this, because... So, for the thumbnail. Okay. So again, same packaging. Personally, I like spicy food. So, we'll see if this one's good. Because this one's original. It's good. Maybe with some cheese. It's good. Yeah, I like how this is chicken breast, so it's all meat, no bone, and it's actually fulfilling. It's not like a chicken where it's flat and bland. This is good. And then the waffle fries. I'm literally here eating in my car, watching, what's her name, Andrea? I'll link her YouTube channel on the side, but I love watching her videos, she's cool. So that's literally what I was doing right now, and I'm going to continue doing that as I finish this. So, this is my Chick-fil-A mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was good. I would rate Chick-fil-A on my first experience as a 9 out of 10. That includes customer service, customer care, food, and, you know, all of the above. Excuse me. The people are very kind here. They, you know, bring the food to you, things like that. Like, if you ordered in, They'll bring you your food to you at your table. The drinks are not self-serve. They serve them for you as you're paying. The prices are reasonable. It's $5 or less for a sandwich, and a meal is like $7.98 or something, which is, you know, I got my 2 sandwiches and a fry for $11.98 or something. So I give it a thumbs up. You guys should definitely try Chick-fil-A. This was my first time trying it, and I really like it. I'll be back. And if you're wondering where I'm at right now, I'm actually in the Fashion Fair shopping center, but Chick-fil-A is actually its own little building. So I'll actually go ahead and show you. Excuse the car coming out, who rudely cut us off. Okay, so there is Chick-fil-A. This is what it looks like. They do have a drive-thru.